Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we're gonna clear the service engine soon light off your dash. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna have the car off. All right, when it's off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it on, but you're gonna turn it on without turning on the engine. All right, turning it on means that all the lights on the dash is on, but the engine is not on. All right, at which point you're gonna count to 3. You can count 3 seconds. All right, after 3 seconds, you're gonna push on the accelerator pedal 5 times within 5 seconds. It really doesn't matter how fast you do it. You just gotta do it 5 times within 5 seconds. At which point you're gonna take your foot off the accelerator pedal. You're gonna wait 7 seconds. You're gonna count 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your foot on the accelerator pedal and you're gonna leave it there for anywhere from 10 to 14 seconds. All right, at which point you're gonna take your foot off, all right, fully off the accelerator, and then you're gonna put your foot back on the accelerator for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're gonna take your foot off the accelerator, turn your car off, and then turn your car on again. After that, when your car comes back on, your service engine soon light should be cleared from the dash, and the code should also be cleared from the computer. So I'm going to do this with you guys right now. All right, the car's off. What you're going to do is you're going to turn your car on without turning the engine on. All right, all the lights on your dash should be on. You're going to count 1 second, 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. You're going to push your foot on the accelerator 5 times within 5 seconds. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Afterwards, you're gonna count 7 seconds. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000. Then you're gonna put your foot on the accelerator. You're gonna hold it there for 10 to 14 seconds. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, at which point your service engine soon light should start blinking. All right, take your foot off the accelerator. All right, take your foot fully off the accelerator. All right, and then you're gonna put your foot on the accelerator again for 10 seconds to clear the code and from your computer and from the dash. All right, so 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000. All right, what you're gonna do afterwards is you're gonna take your foot off the accelerator. All right, you're gonna turn off your car, and then you're gonna turn your car back on, at which point the service engine soon light should be cleared from your dash. It should also be cleared from your car's internal computer. All right, but if your issue is still there, the service engine soon light code and the light on your dash will come back on depending on your drive cycle. You're not going to be able to pass inspection until you actually fix the issue. The reason being is, all right, your car has a computer that actually checks each and every sensor. There's about 7 or 8 sensors in your car. It's going to check 7 each of those sensors. And when it gets to that sensor that's causing the issue, when it gets to that problem that causes that issue, the service engine soon light will pop back up. And furthermore, if you take your car to get it inspected right after you did this method and the issue is still there, you're still gonna fail inspection. Reason being is that when you take it to the inspection center, what happens is they will make sure that your car goes through that drive cycle. That drive cycle meaning that the computer has checked off at least, you know, most of the sensors in your car, so that it reads out, you know, that everything in your car is working right. All right. Hope this helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please leave it in the comment section. Please give me a thumbs up if this has helped you guys in any way, and please subscribe. Thanks, guys.